Why I have a terrible headache, you see, man. I mean, um, I got a terrible headache from morning. Me not eat nothing. Jesus, I'm not feel so good in my stomach. I wonder if I'm pregnant again. You know, see, I have a message to give people, You know how much, well, before the message, of 5 children me have, five. 5 children. I mean, I go talk my age because I don't know it go already. Jamaican people don't like to really discuss age. I not go talk my age, but me not that old. But the 5 children all have different names. And it's no fault of mine. Because when you meet these men, them fool you up and tell you all kind of things. Them come and say, "How you doing? You look so nice, daughter." And then buy them a little patty. Next thing you know, boom, baby. One next one come by oxtail, boom, another baby. And I saw it go. Sometimes somebody buy a coconut water and put a straw in it, boom, a baby that again. But I want to say me fool, me must say really fool because me don't understand what's going on with me because Nikisha, let me tell you them name, Nikisha Brown, Candice Bramwell, Shanika Roach, Don Phillips, and the one son of me have Byron. Him, I don't know if him name Brown or Bramwell. So for female shape I may put Byron Brown Bramwell because me not sure of which one. Because I tell you, it's funny, when I don't laugh. It's serious. It's really serious. Because when night come, as dusk falls, so you coming like you turn fool and you don't know what you do. And people always come up to you and say, "Oh, you look so nice," and this, that. And me buy into it every time. Hook, line, and sinker. Me buy into it. I now look for my condition. My head hurt me from morning. Me not have nothing to eat. And so them give me the baby, them gone. Gone. Me not see them. Them not come back. Nobody no come to see how Nikisha do. Nobody no want to know. Candice, go do your homework. Nobody no come to see how Shanika do or done. And the thing is, Shanika, tell Byron to come out of the mango tree because the mango them not ripe yet. The mango them is not ripe. And then I look at the time of the night when I'm in the mango tree. You see how things hard? I'm in the mango tree in the middle of the night. And the mango them is as green as grass. And them hard. Eh? They talk about life rough. Life rough. Life is really rough with me. But, someday I'm going to wake up and wise up, because me know say God not sleep. God is not sleeping.
Mama, I'm hungry.
You hear this now? Shanika, go bite your fingernail and see if you can get any juice out of it. Because right now, I don't have a thing for you. I'm there with my headache. I mean, I have nothing for you to eat. Me need something to eat. One not going to look for no papa man. One look for no father. Because, what you going to do? Look how much I do. 5 hours now. I mean, I'm not going to. Jesus. Oh my God, and it come like, me have this sharp pain on my side, me feel like, when you're in an early stage of pregnancy. Lord, I wonder if the shopkeeper down the road pregnant me again. Oh God, no. No, me can't do this again. Me can't go through this again. Me don't know. It's like me fooling her. They must have said something for me, They really must have said ghost for me. Because me don't know how me so unfortunate. Watch Byron. You know, sister, the mango them not ripe. Byron, the mango them is not ripe. You cannot eat them. If you want dead in here tonight, you can't eat them. I want less mouth to feed if you're dead in here. So me not to worry. You cannot eat that mango, Byron. That would be one less mouth to feed. And then she come and tell me now she hungry. Me not nothing for you. Go look for your father, man. No go look for no father. Go down the road, go down the big yard where all the dreadlocks, the bubble dreadlocks, them they go see if you see one of the father. One of them must in there. Tell them say no man I have headache. She can't manage. Me not nothing for go on feed. And me head a spin right now. But look like we have to go drink a little water and say a prayer and go to bed tonight. Time is really rough. Time is hard. Lord Jesus, I rain this a fall. Look there, this ceiling a leak again. The ceiling a leak again. Let me push the bed over. God. Every time rain fall, the whole of the mattress wet up. Every time rain fall, the whole of the mattress wet up. The bed up wet. Jesus, what is... This is real poverty, you know. Poverty is something else. I'm telling you, with every child where you have, I mean, I learn late in life. I still not learn nothing because right now, I think I'm pregnant. I mean, they want to go to the doctor to find out. Because me have to learn. So me have to stop doing this patty and this oxtail and this little a pack of what you call it, Shirley biscuit, when me love so much. It always give me a baby. And this is the last baby I am having. You hear me? This is the last baby I am having. No more. What me say? No more baby for me.